Hello everyone. Welcome to our sewing class today. My name is Audrey. Today we are going to be finishing our ear warmers. You are going to need your fleece ear warmer, and you will also need your needle and thread. Today we're going to be doing two things. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to be sewing together the ends of our fleece ear warmers and making them into a circle. The second thing we're going to do is we're then going to sew along the top, and then we're going to sew along the bottom. Now let's get started. So I have everything I need here. I've got my ear warmers, I've got some pins, and I've got some needles and some thread. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to need to put our fabric together because we want to make a circle. So in order to do this, we're just going to simply hold our fabric together like this. Let's put a couple pins in place. And then let's take our needle and thread, and we want to sew just across here where I'm holding that. So you can just start with your needle and thread at one end, put it through, get it into place, and then just start to sew together. Okay? And as you can see, the stitches, you can only see the stitches a little bit. They're going to bury into the cloth. Now when you're finished, it's going to look like this one here. As you can see, I have my circle, and inside here where I joined it, you can just see a little bit of fabric, and I have it all together. Now this looks finished. The only problem we have is you will find that when you're wearing it, this doesn't stay in place. It starts to roll. So what we're going to do is we're going to stitch across the top, and we're going to stitch across the bottom. To help you see better, right, we want to stitch across the top, and we want to stitch across the bottom. In order to do that, let's take our thread, hold our fabric in a circle, and then all you need to do is just put your needle in your fabric and bring it up. And let it go in. And we just want to hold it loosely in place, so it doesn't need to be strong stitches. So we're just going to go along the top here, and you can do fairly big stitches, right? And it's just going to start to hold it in. Okay. Now I'm doing it in white thread so you can see what I'm doing, but you'll get the idea that we're just going to go across the top. So once again, let me show you this one that's finished, as well as this one. Okay, so this one I'll just take off the threads, and you will see along the top here that I have stitching here and stitching here. When you go to open it, it just kind of opens like this, and it's going to stay on your head better. And just to have a second look, I stitched along here and along here on this one, and it holds nicely into place. And with this, you are finished sewing your ear warmers. Well, how did it go? Were you able to finish your fleece ear warmer? I hope you like it. And I hope when you wear it, that'll keep your ears nice and warm.
over the next few winter months. We will see you again sometime. Bye for now.